Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. It's me, the official taste tester, and I'm here today to show you all what is a quick and easy recipe for Father's Day. So today I'm going to show you all how to make um, tikka chops in the air fryer. So if you go to any Indian restaurant, they usually have tikka lamb chops on the menu, but it comes at quite a steep price. So we're going to do our own home version of that and maybe reduce the cost a little bit. And because we're putting it in the air fryer, it's going to be a little bit more healthy as well. So I'm going to demonstrate today with just 4 lamb chops that I got. Again, I'm stepping in front of the camera, so we're not going to be able to zoom in on all the ingredients. So please forgive us for that. Then for my tikka marinade for the chops, I'm going to use tablespoon of freshly ground ginger and garlic. Then we've got half a cup of yogurt that will go into the marinade. We've got 3 tablespoons of tikka spice. You can also add in your own cayenne pepper or paprika to change the color and make it more hot if you want. We're going to use a generous sprinkle of mixed herbs, salt and pepper to taste. Then I've got a teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried methi leaves. And then I've got a lemon that we're going to cut and squeeze the juice into the marinade for. And then lastly, we've got a 1/8 cup of oil, or roughly 2 tablespoons of oil that we're going to use in our marinade. So we're going to marinate our chops and leave it in the fridge overnight so that all the tikka flavor can get into the chops, and then we're going to air fry it tomorrow. So I'm just going to throw all my ingredients into my chops. Generous sprinkle of mixed herbs, generous grind of black pepper, then a quick grind of salt, the kasuri methi, the juice of 1 fresh lemon, and then my oil. We don't use too much of oil in this marinade because lamb chops can be fatty, so you don't want to make them too oily. And then I'm just gonna use my hands to mix all of this together, and then I'll show you when we're done. Okay guys, here's my chops that's well mixed with the marinade, well coated. And we're gonna leave this overnight. We're gonna clean from it and leave it overnight in the fridge. And then tomorrow morning, we'll come back to you. Okay guys, it's the next day now. So please excuse my hat hair. Was out birding this morning and it was 3 degrees in Johannesburg. So our chops have marinated overnight. So we're ready to pop it into the air fryer now. So I've lined my air fryer with some wax paper. And we're going to put the chops in. They're quite big chops, so we're going to put them in sort of head to toe. I'll show you now what I mean. So I don't know if you can see that, but the chops are just lined up so that they fit better into the air fryer. We're going to slide the basket into the air fryer. I'm just going to wash my hands and get back to you. So we're going to set our air fryer to meat. And the cooking time, it says, is 180 degrees for 16 minutes. What I'm going to do is just going to turn the temperature up a little bit to 190. And then we're going to give it 10 minutes on the side it's on. And then after 10 minutes, we're going to check it. And we're going to flip the tikka chops. And then give it the rest of the 6 minutes. So it's 16 minutes in total. If we need to cook the chops for longer, we'll also give it more time. So I'm going to get started now. Just a reminder, my mom did a tutorial on how to use the air fryer. So if you have the same model, which is the Hisense air fryer, you can check out that video as well. Hi guys, so it's been 10 minutes and we're just going to check on the chops and we're going to give them a quick flip and then put it in for the last 5 minutes. Hi guys, so our time for the cooking is up. I gave the chops 10 minutes on the second side as well, so 20 minutes in total, and we're ready to take it out. I don't know if you can see that, but the chops are lovely and red looking. Sorry we can't zoom in again like we normally do when I'm filming. The camera and gimbal is quite heavy, so my mom struggles with it a little bit. So we're gonna get ready to serve our chops now. We've got some mash and we'll get that served up quickly. Hey guys, so here we go. Our lovely tikka chops served with a nice mash. We're gonna finish it off with a few fresh dhania leaves on the top to garnish. And that's one quick and easy meal for Father's Day. I hope you're enjoying your Father's Day, and I wish all the wonderful dads out there all the best for Father's Day. And also the South African cricket team, the Proteas, have just won the ICC World Test Championship. So I want to say congratulations to the Proteas as well. After many, many years, they've done us proud. So I hope you all give this one a try, and it's a quick and easy recipes. And even though it's Father's Day, the dads can even try this one out. And we will catch you on the next video.